What's up everybody? In this video I'm gonna show you next 3 biggest meme coins. I think they are meme gem coins with a huge potential. Some coins can do 100x and I believe they also can do up to 1000x. But before I'm gonna show you all of those projects, just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and this video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything, especially into meme coins. So the first project is called Snack, and also all of those projects is going to be on a different chains. So Snack is actually on Cardano chain. They have a Discord, they have their website, and at the time of recording they have 20,000 followers on their Twitter account. And if we go to their website really quick, you can see how to buy Snack and then buy Snack, and you can just learn a little bit more about this project in general. And then if we pull up CoinGecko, as you can see at the time of recording this video, Snack cost 0.002. Looks like it hit all-time high today or 2 days ago, but this is, I think, just the beginning, because if we scroll down, as you can see, the lowest it was 0.001. It's close to 1500% gains, but usually huge meme coins, they do a lot more than that. So with that being said, I think this meme coin still has a huge potential to grow, and the entire supply is 67 billion. So for meme coin, I think it's actually one of the smallest supplies out there. So this is one of them. Then the second, it's called Coq Inu, or Coq Inu, and this one is actually an Avalanche chain. So you'll have to, if you purchase Ethereum or something, you'll have to bridge to Avalanche and buy it on Avalanche. And then I think they sell this one on Trader Joe. So they also have a website, and at the time of recording they have almost 20,000 followers on their Twitter account. So let's open up their website really quick. Yeah, right here you can see, you open up Trader Joe and just swap it over here. You can scroll and see what you can find about this meme coin, but there is not a whole lot on their website. And then if we open up CoinGecko, at the time of recording this video, this coin cost fraction of a penny. I don't even know how much is it, but the supply is huge. Looks like 69 trillion coins. And then if we scroll down, as you can see, from all times low, it was 2,861%. So I think still this coin has a lot of room to grow, and I believe this coin can go 100x, maybe even up to 1000x. It's all gonna be depends on the market sentiment. And then the last coin, it's called Satellite Doge 1. So it's basically a Doge 1 coin, and this is gonna be the most Dogein meme coin that you can find out there. So the reason why this coin, I think, has a huge potential, because there is actually gonna be a rocket launching that's called Doge 1, and most likely Elon Musk is gonna be tweeting about it. Doge is going to the moon, and it's gonna go most likely all the way to the moon. So I think this is one of the biggest meme coin is going to be out there. Most likely Elon Musk is going to be tweeting about, and anything that Elon Musk tweets about, it feels like going to the moon, as we can compare to previous Doge pumps. It was him pumping that coin. So with that being said, if we open up their website, you can read a little bit more about this website. This one actually has 1 billion token, even less than Snack. And then they also have Telegram, and you can see the chart. This is from the DEX tool. You can see the price of it. And then if we pull up their CoinGecko, as you can see from today, it's actually went up 400%. But I think this coin still has a lot of room to grow for a billion supply. And since all times low, it's only up 627%. I think this coin can do 1000x, maybe even more. You gotta remember though, there's a lot of fake coins like this. If you're purchasing, you have to make sure you go back to their Twitter and you have to find that contract address that ends with 46. Or if you go to CoinGecko, right here you can click on markets, and then you can find exactly where you can buy this coin. And at the time of recording this video, they only have it listed on Uniswap, so you'll have to buy it on Uniswap. Maybe later on they'll add to other dexes, but right now only on this decentralized exchange. And this is pretty much it. This is 3 next biggest meme coins that are on a different chains with a huge potential. Good luck to everybody, and thanks for watching.